This is the press up. So you're first going to start by laying face down on a hard surface, preferably. If it can't be a hard surface, it can be your bed, but preferably the ground or the couch or something like that. And you're going to be laying face down with your arms at your side, kind of like a push-up position, leaving your hips on the table. You push up as high as you can, and then you go back down. You don't want to hold at the top. These are just for repetitions. So it kind of goes like this here. So you push up, and then you're going back down. And you can be assisted by someone, which can help. And all you would do to be assisted is they would put their hand on your low back, just one hand, just applying a little bit of overpressure to keep your hips on the table so you can get a little bit deeper into the stretch. Now, as far as breathing, when you're doing this exercise, you're going to breathe out on your way up, and then on your way back down to the ground, you're going to breathe back in.